I'll kill the white elephant in the room. I'll get the testicle jokes out of the way right from the get-go. Gotta say it like Oprah Winfrey. These nuts! This is the look of a more traditional peanut brittle. It's my mom's. It's served on a napkin with a squirrel wearing a scarf. I can't compete with that shit. Cracking on these nuts. Spray down a sheet pan liberally with canola oil, and I mean liberally. With late Saturday night latex sheets liberally with the one you love, or maybe don't even know. I don't know how you roll. Halfway through making peanut brittle, you feel like you're about to blow glass. Shit's hot. It goes from softball stage, analogous with Des Moines, Iowa, to hard crack, which is analogous to an empty warehouse in East St. Louis, in about 45 seconds. While making this brittle, I felt like I was one false move away from going to a burn unit for a night or two. When making peanut brittle, you'll find it pretty nifty when your utensils are highly heat resistant. Like NASA grade heat resistant. I may need to borrow a few first responders stat. Ideally, you want to get this stuff to around 350 degrees and then pour. It'll spread naturally over the surface. You don't need to spread it. It'll just flow like lava. 385 degrees. Woo! Hotter than Georgia asphalt. Make sure to make a little extra to leave for Kris Kringle by the chimney flue.